Arizona, no different than any other state, who had to deal with the Great Recession and lost several thousand construction workers. So in the peak of 2006, we had approximately 244,000 construction workers, and now we're roughly close to like 168,000 construction workers. So you have a 31% gap that we have been trying to close for years.
Technology is a huge thing in the industry right now. GPS, computers with the industry, drones, and we just don't have a lot of that out in the field as much as we should, because we don't have the younger generation that's familiar with that stuff coming into the industry and advancing that technology within the industry.
I heard about the program after going to trade school. It's pretty awesome. You get to test drive them, see how they work, and fix them. When I got on a scraper and I sat on it and drove it around, it felt right.
I was given the opportunity to join the program and to become a member in late 2019. And so I began joining the classes on my days off. First class that I had, I knew this was it. This opportunity has given me a huge advantage in taking care of the people that I love. I'm gonna be able to drive down through here and say I built that.
Just to be able to look at the roads and be like, oh yeah, I did that, or drive down the street with your family and be like, oh yeah, I helped build that, or I was a part of that. Like, that's the cool thing.
This program in the next 5 to 10 years will probably double in its size, if not triple, and it will get more expanded into other parts of the industry. We're only about 4 years into really putting this new program into effect for Arizona.